Good morning students. In today's class we will be doing exercise 6.1. In this we are taking question number 3. In figure 6.15 angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. We need to prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So in this figure we can see PQ stands on line ST. So these two angles are making linear pair. So the sum will be equal to 180 degree. In the similar way, angle PRQ and angle PRT are linear pair. So the sum will be equal to 180 degree. We get two equations. When we equate these two, we get this. So I am substituting PQR, angle PQR in place of angle PRQ from 1. So when I substitute it, we get angle PQR on both sides. So we can cancel out and we are left with angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Hence, we proved what we have been asked. Second question we are taking is question number 5. In figure 6.17, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray line between rays OR OP. Prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. So we can see that a ray OR is perpendicular to POQ. So we can say that angle ROQ is equal to angle ROP is equal to 90 degree. Both these angles are 90 degree. We need to prove angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So in this we will take first RHS, that is right hand side part, which is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. From this figure, find out what is angle QOS. So we can see angle QOS contain two angles, that is angle QOR and angle ROS. So we can write angle QOS equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. In the similar way, we can see angle POS is made of, what will be angle POS? Yes, it can be angle POS if you want. Angle POR is made up of angle POS plus angle SOR or ROS. Angle POR is made up of angle POS plus angle ROS. So we want angle POS. From this equation we can get angle POS. So angle POS is equal to angle POR minus angle ROS. See, we get these two equations. So we know the value of angle POS and angle QOS. We will substitute these values in RHS part. Here I am substituting the value for QOS from 2 and substituting the value for POS from 1. So when I open the bracket, I get angle QOR plus angle ROS minus angle POR, and minus will be plus. So we can see angle ROS and angle angle QOR and angle POR is both are equal, and both are equal to 90 degree from 1. See, both are equal to 90 degree. So we can easily cancel out these two angles and we are left with angle ROS plus angle ROS. These two angles will make 2 angle ROS. So half of 2 are angle ROS. So both these two will cancel and we are left with angle ROS. Now let's take question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. So let's make angle XYZ, which is equal to 64 degree, and it is XY is produced to point P. Ray YQ bisects the angle ZYP. It bisects this angle, so these angles will be equal. That is half of angle ZYP. So this is a diagram for this question. These two angles are equal or half of ZYP. We need to find angle XYQ and reflex of angle PYQ. So let's start. We can see that ray YZ stands on line PX. So this angle and this angle make a linear pair. So how much will be this angle? Yes, it will be equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree. So we get 116 degrees. That means angle ZYP is equal to 116 degrees. So how much will be QYP and angle QYZ? These two angles will be half of this, that is equal to 58 degree and 58 degree. Degree and 58 degree. We want to know angle XYQ, and XYQ, as we can see, is made up of two angles, that is 58 degree and 64 degree. So when we add these two, we get 122 degree. So angle XYQ is equal to 122 degree. So what will be the reflex angle of QYP? How much will be this angle? If this is 58 degree, so how much will be this? Yes, we know angle around a point is 360 degree. So this is complete angle. So when we subtract 58 degrees from 360 degree, we get 302 degree. So reflex of QYP is 302 degree. So children, this is all for today, and today's assignment is exercise 6.1 question 2 and question 5. In question 5, we know angle around a point is 360 degree. So you need to take sum of these angles equal to 360 degree, and then you can proceed for solving the question. Thank you.